Hey, what's up, guys and girls? So here we're gonna do a nice tea recipe that helps with the blood flow. And you know we talking about blood flow to a certain body part, right? So we're gonna use spring water here. If you can, try to use spring water all the time. If you can't get spring water, purified water would be fine, but I like to use spring water. So now we turn up the heat and get that water to boil. Now these 4 ingredients we're gonna add in here all have enormous properties. All right, so we're gonna start with our first ingredient, and it will be the cinnamon sticks. So we throw the cinnamon sticks in there. 1 stick, break it into 2 is fine. Throw that in there. Then we grab our ginger, fresh ginger. That fresh ginger, organic if possible. So we're gonna go ahead and peel that ginger. As you can see here, nice and peeled, or almost perfectly peeled. We still have some areas there. I'll take that off. Then we're gonna chop the ginger up. And once you chop up the ginger, we're gonna add that in the water. You can also grater the ginger. So use the cheese grater, but today we're just gonna chop it up. So we got the ginger and the cinnamon meeting each other in the hot tub. Then we're gonna add our next ingredient here, which is cloves. Cloves is a powerhouse, very beneficial. That also helps with inflammation and blood flow. Keywords for today: blood flow. So we're gonna add about half a tablespoon of that in there. Y'all see the screen there? Like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Our next ingredient is gonna be the cardamom. Another powerhouse ingredient. Look that up, research that. It'll give you all the benefits of the cardamom. So we're not going to use as much as the cloves. We'll use about 1/4 tablespoon for this. And once we get that 1/4 tablespoon, we're going to add that into the water. Now that cardamom is the one that doesn't come with the shells. Some cardamoms might come with the shell. That's cool too. So as we have all the ingredients in there, we get in that water together, get that boil for about, I don't know, about 10 minutes or so. But we're not going to show the entire 10 minutes here, because who has time to look at water boiling for 10 whole minutes? We don't need to do that. So with the power of internet and the power of video editing, we're gonna cut that time down into about 2 minutes. And as you can see here, the tea is ready. So now that the tea is ready, we'll get ready to get it served up. Now let's get it. Yeah. So now we got the little strainer out here that strains all the little pieces, the cardamom, the cloves, the ginger. So now we have our finished tea right here. Check out that color. So that color is right there from the cinnamon. So you're getting all the powerhouse and beneficial things from the cinnamon, the cardamom, the cloves, the ginger, everything together. And that's gonna help with the blood flow, inflammation. It cleanses the blood also. So if you got anything going on in the arteries and all that, drinking this daily or frequently will clear that up for you, helping you keep that strong member going. So the ladies can be satisfied. You know what I'm talking about. Y'all like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification. Boom. There you go. Finished product right here. Drink this up every night if possible. But this right here will help get your stroke game together. Alright, you can drink as much as you want with this, but try to drink it frequently if possible. Remember to drink tea every day. It could be different types of tea. As long as you drink something every day like this, you'll be good. Now this is Taste of the Tropics. And we gonna sign off right here. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I'll see y'all on the next video.